It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup, well pretty much a full face of makeup, only using P.Louise products and a couple of new products from IT Cosmetics. So the IT Cosmetics products will be the Illuminating CC cream and the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And then the P.Louise, I've got a variety of all different products. So if that's something that you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I have just primed my face. I use the Glossier Future Dew on my face, so I might look a little bit shiny. Absolutely loving that as a primer at the moment. Really, really nice, and it feels beautiful on your skin, and it does smell like rosemary, which is unusual, but quite nice. Right, so first up, I'm going to go in with my foundation. So as I say, it's the IT Cosmetics CC Illuminating Cream. This is colour correcting, illuminating, full coverage cream. It's anti-aging and hydrating serum, and it is SPF 50, which is brilliant. So I'm going to put a little shake first. Oh, sorry, the shade I've got is light. Oh. So I'm going to go in. I'll start off with a couple of pumps of that. So it's quite a thick consistency. So we'll see what the coverage is like. Pop it on my brush. I'm just going to kind of almost dot it about to start off with. Oh, it smells nice. It smells quite floral. I'm really, really liking the finish that is giving me. I can see why it's called Illuminating. It is really dewy, which I really, really like. I recently tried the NYX Born to Glow foundation, which I found was really, really nice, and one of my new favourite foundations because it is so dewy. I don't like a matte foundation on me. My skin's quite dry, so I find that with a matte foundation it just highlights the dryness and it just makes it look even worse. So yeah, this is really, really up there on my favourites, I think, to be honest, from first impressions anyway. Nice. Right, so I'm just going to make sure that that is completely on my face. So I'm just going to pat that in with a blender. Yeah, liking that. Really, really liking that. Okay, so that is on. I can see a couple of blemishes there still. So it is a CC cream. It's not a foundation. It is, I'd say it is full coverage for a CC cream, definitely. Nowhere near as sheer as most of them, or BB creams even. But yeah, really like that. So right, we're going to go in with the Bye Bye Under Eye now. So again, because it's new, I'm going to give it a little shake. Right, so what I'm going to do is pop it directly kind of put it on like it's an eye cream almost. I'm just going to use a little concealer brush just to blend that. And I'm just going to pat that in again. That has got coverage and it is really brightening as well. That's lovely. Right, so next thing I'm going to do is just pop some P.Louise base. This is Rumour 0.5. I use this all the time, so I'm just going to pop that on my lids. But it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it go. Lovely. Right, so there we are. That is the foundation and the concealer pretty much done. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and highlight down the centre and just set that with some translucent powder, bronzer, blusher, and then I will be back. Right, okay, so base done, all bar highlight anyway. I'm going to leave my highlight until after I've done my eyes, just because I don't know how much fallout there's going to be, and it's less to clear up if I need to. So, right, eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have got the P.Louise Oh So Beautiful eyebrow pencil and the Oh So Beautiful eyebrow gel, which is those. They came in this stunning cup as part of the Dish in the Dirt set, which I did do an unboxing on that where I showed all the stunning packaging and everything in detail on my last video, so I'll link that above now. So yeah, we're going to try these out. Okay, so first I'm just going to give my eyebrows a little brush. Oh, they need waxing. That'll be a job for later. There we go. And then I am going to use the eyebrow pencil. So you get a little pencil like this, which is beautiful, like pink and white ombre. You get a tiny, tiny little brush on there. It's rather cute. I could have used that really, couldn't I, instead of my normal spoolie. And then you get a really skinny brow pencil, which looks like it's going to be really nice. Drop the lid. Right. So we are going to go in with the pencil, and as I always do, just kind of line underneath, and then I just pencil in the hairs over the brow. Okay. So that's a really nice shade actually. It's perfect for me because obviously I've got really light hair. And yeah, that one was Hazelnut Latte. So all of the products that I've used, I will list with the shade names and everything in the description box below if you want to check that out. Right, okay, so on with the brow gel. So we're going to use this one, which is kind of like, I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting this to be like an eyebrow paint that you paint on like a pomade. But this is like a spoolie with a coloured brow gel. So we're going to try this one out. I'm just going to go through them. That's really nice. Don't know if it's going to keep them in place as much as the 24-hour brow setter that I normally use from Benefit, but time will tell. But yeah, I quite like the way that it kind of tints them slightly. So yeah, that's really nice, which I suppose the Gimme Brow would do. But no, the brush is really nice as well, and you can feel it really gripping the hairs as you go along. So yeah, I like that product. So next we're going to go in with eyes. No idea what I'm going to do. I'm going to just make it up as I go along. Yeah, I've got so many colours here to play with that, to be honest, they're blowing my mind. So I have no idea what I'm going to do at all. So, right, I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of go for a bit of a lilac-y look with a bit of pink. So that's what we're going to do. Don't know how it's going to turn out. We'll find out at the end. So first up, I am using the Acid Rain Ibiza paint, which is that one there, which is kind of like a purpley shade. I'm going to put this. I've got the metallic gold one as well, which is that one. This is the Prime and Define, so I think I want to use that as well. I think what I'm going to do is use this on the outer half of the lid and then use this on the inner half, and then I'm going to put, I've got the Sandwich Stages palettes to use as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just thinking out loud here really, aren't I? Let's just get it on. Right. First of all, I'm going to go in with this one. This is one of the new P.Louise brushes as well, which I got with the Crisp Finish kit. Right. Okay, so what eye shall I do? I'll do this eye, it's easier for you to see. So I'm going to use this on the outer half. That is so easy to apply, so pigmented. These are brilliant. And it's like, even though it's wet, when you look up, you don't get any transfer, because obviously it's going to dry. That's nice. Right, okay. Right, so next up I'm going to do the inner corner while we've got the wet product. So I'm going to go in with this metallic, what shade's this even? Extra AF. So what I'm going to do is pop a tiny bit on the back of my hand, I think. When I swatched this, it was so metallic. Beautiful. So right, we're going to go in with this other brush. This is from the Mirror brush set. Take a little bit of that on there. How stunning is that colour? Ooh, I'm liking these a lot. Right, okay. So next I am going to go in with, I'm going to use like a pink shade, I think. So I'm going to go with this bright pink. What I'm going to do is use that on the outer corner here, and then I'm just going to bring it into the crease very slightly. So we're going to see how that goes. So, pretty. Let it wash away, let it wash away, let it wash away, let it wash away. They blend so well, and weirdly, because I put that metallic on the inner corner, where I've kind of blended in slightly into that, it's picked up some of the flecks of glitter and put it through the pink. But actually I quite like it. So I just can't, look how much it's blended so well. That's nice. Right, I'm just going to go for it. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Source, which is this gold shimmer here, and I've already got some on my finger, and I'm just going to put that over the metallic one at the front. I'm just trying to test the products out more than anything today, really, to see how they apply and layer over each other. So I'm going to do that now. Those shimmers are just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Right, okay, so I'm going to stop there because, yeah, it's just going to look far too much otherwise. Right, so underneath, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bright, or shall I do the purple now? Let's do both. Right, so I'm going in underneath, I'm going to go in the bright pink again, and I'm also going to do the pastel purple, which is that one there. But I'm going to do the bright pink first on the outer. Okay, then I'm going to take that purple on the inner. So pretty. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that gold colour and just teensy bit on my finger. I just want to kind of try and ombre it very slightly so it's not so blocky. That's better. Right, okay. I think bar a little bit of highlighter on my inner corner, I'm going to stop there. Lovely. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the same on the other eye, pop on some mascara and some lashes. And do you know what? I think that's actually all the products. Yeah, so I'm going to go finish off and then I will be back. Okay, so there we are. There is the finished look. So all I did was finished off with some Shop Bisset highlighter and some Primark mascara and the Shop Bisset Natalia lashes, and then just a bit of Primark lipstick as well. So yeah, and there is the finished look. I have to say, really, in fact I'm more than happy. I'm over the moon with it. The way that those eye paints and the eyeshadows apply is just incredible. Honestly, they are a dream to work with. I don't think I've ever worked with anything as easy on the eyes to use as I have those paints, honestly. If I give you a close up, so that's how it looks. It's obviously a bit out there, not to everyone's taste, but I just wanted to have a little play really and see how they applied and how they layered, which, as I say, I'm more than happy with. So yeah, there we go. Brilliant. Even I forgot about the eyebrow products, they were really good as well. And I have to say that they feel softer than they do with the 24-hour brow setup, but they still seem to be quite in place. So yeah, really good. And the IT Cosmetics products as well, I'm really impressed with those. So really good day today. Not a negative thing I can say about anything, which is just lovely. It's exactly what I like. So if you enjoyed watching, then please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. My next upload will be on Friday. I normally upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 p.m. So I hope to see you there then. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Holding on to all of these feelings, and I just need to let this out, no. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell.